After sharing with you the real cause of split ends in my previous video, in this video I will be talking about whatever it takes to get off that split end situation and to get out of it without any side effects and actually having the desired results. So if you are really interested in seeing this video, I would request you to first go and check out that video which I just uploaded before this, and then come to this video so that it makes actual sense to you and you get the clarity, like a 360-degree clarity. So without doing any further ado, let's get started with the video. And at the same time, I just want to say one thing: split ends, bye-bye. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanyaa. I'm a professional makeup artist and an educator, a fashion, beauty and lifestyle influencer, a makeover, bridal and skin consultant as well. In this video, as I already promised you, that I will be sharing with you the practical, easier and effective remedies and cure to cure split ends like permanently, and I do mean it, okay? Permanently. If you follow the steps which I'll be guiding you step by step, once it's gone, it's not going to come back. And take my words on that, because I really mean it, because I have seen the results in my clients, in my students, and whoever comes to me for consulting around their hair care, skincare and all of that. So there are a lot of clients who come to me to, for this split end kind of situation. And you know what? I just tell them one thing: it's nothing. Stop worrying about it and just remove it from all the list of worries you have in your life, because this is not worth staying in that list at all, okay? It's nothing. You just need the right consultation, the right direction of cure and the, remedies and, all of that to actually get out of it, okay? So let's begin with the video. So are you ready to get rid of those split ends? Because after this video, and if you follow this, it's a time to say bye-bye to split ends forever. So I will be guiding you in a step format: step 1, step 2, step 3, like this, and you have to exactly follow like this, okay, if you're really desiring the desired results, okay? So the step 1 is, if you already have split ends, go and get a haircut done, okay? If you have watched my previous video, there I have already cleared this, that you cannot repair the split ends. So if your hair stand has already splitted into two parts, into two halves, then you cannot make them join together. In some very few cases it is possible due to some hair treatments, salon treatments, but not in every case. And if your hair is very dry, frizzy, rough and damaged, it's not possible. So the first thing you have to do is, the first step is, no matter what kind of split ends you have, go and have a trimming or a haircut, fresh haircut done, okay? Now let's talk about if you have split ends in the above areas, down, you can get a haircut done and you can get rid of your split ends. If you have here or in the middle areas, then in the salons they also provide a split end removal service. So you can go for that, where they actually remove, there is a certain kind of process and tools with the help of which they actually remove the split ends and set you free from the split ends. So this is a temporary thing. That first step, you got rid of all the split ends. Now the second thing is, there are a lot of things which you have to take care after you got your split ends removed. The second thing is, whenever you come home, do apply a good amount of hair oil. So now, what kind of hair oil? Not the mineral oils and the liquid paraffins. I'm not talking about non-sticky hair oils. I'm talking about cold pressed hair oils. Those who have all the necessary fatty acids, vitamins and minerals which are required for your healthy hair and scalp. So what you have to do is, you have to oil your hair properly. And not only scalp. Normally what we focus is, whenever we put oil, we focus on the scalp area, but for this situation, for the treatment of your split ends, you have to also put intentionally the oil on the ends, on all the ends, very nicely. Tie your hair and sleep. And the next day you have to shampoo your hair. Now, the third thing is, if you use conditioners, fine, you can use conditioners, but don't use on a regular basis, okay? Like if you really want to get rid of those dry frizziness and split end situations forever, like permanently, then I will suggest you that you just skip your conditioner routine. Or if, for example, if you have certain occasions or certain events where you require conditioner on your hair, that's fine. That's what I do personally. you must be imagining right now that I have such a short hair, so for me it's easier to skip conditioner, but you have long hair and it's not easier for you. No guys, I had this haircut just not even a month ago. So earlier I was having a good length, and I used to follow the same routine. I never used to put conditioners every time, okay? I only used to put conditioners whenever I'm shooting, whenever I'm having a YouTube shoot, or whenever I'm just, busy with my bridal assignments or any kind of fashion shoot or all of that. So I just skip the conditioner part whenever it is not required. Every day conditioning after shampoo is not healthy. Now, I can understand that if you have frizzy hair, it looks really bad. Just shampooed hair is really difficult to manage. For that, you can use non-silicone based hair serums like organic serums, which can give you that luster, shine and softness, and you won't require the conditioner. And if you want any kind of custom formulation made for yourself for dealing with these issues, you can always connect with me, and I will drop down that link or whatever the contact details in the description box below, so you can check it out there and you can contact me personally. I can help you out with that. Apart from that, now there are few home remedies which I'll be recommending you, which will really help you in dealing with these things. Now, after your haircut done, don't, at least for a week, I'll say just stay away from conditioner or any kind of hair spa or any kind of hair treatment, because no matter what treatment you go for, they do have silicons in it. So I'll just say that keep those silicons out at least for a week. Now what you have to do for these weeks, just take honey, aloe vera gel and mix it properly with few drops of coconut oil or almond oil. Mix them properly and then just apply in the ends. You can also apply above as well if you have split ends over here, but ends it's a must, of course. So you have to apply that and leave it overnight. Okay, you have to do it every day. Okay, and if you don't want to wash your hair every day, it's fine. You were just applying it in the ends. You can just take your hair and just wash the ends. And because it's aloe vera gel, honey and all this, so it will easily get rinsed properly. So you don't need to do shampoo all the time to remove that from your hair every day. Honey, you know very well that it's a natural humectant and it draws moisture into your hair, and it will nourish and moisturize your hair shafts and your hair ends and your hair cuticles. So this way your hair will stay healthy. Now if you follow this routine, I'm not saying to do it every day, like for a week do it every day, and then you can do always before shampoo, and you can apply hair oil. Just indulge into nourishing habits to provide that nourishment which your hair requires. Only shampooing and conditioning, shampoo and conditioning is the major cause behind the cause of split ends. Okay, so if you're having split ends, you can check your routine and I'm sure you will find that you are doing only this, like shampoo, conditioner, oiling once in a blue moon, or maybe not at all. So this is the routine which you do which causes split ends. Okay, now the next thing is you can also go for a hair butter kind of hair mask textures, which I also personally formulate for a lot of my clients, which works wonderful for them. If you use these kind of products on a daily basis, what will happen, whatever new hair growth will be coming up, and in the long run, you'll see that your entire hair texture has changed without using any chemicals or going for any chemical treatment. But to be honest, if you go for any kind of chemical treatment, yes, it delivers the result instantly and for some time. But if you are really looking for something permanent, then yes, it may take little time, but it will definitely give you the desired results. Now, as we all know that every individual has different kind of hair type and hair issues and hair texture, and it depends on the weather, age, lifestyle and so many other factors. It's little difficult to guide you on 100% level accurately that what will work for you on such a platform like a YouTube, where I mostly try to provide the general kind of knowledge, not a specific knowledge for individual, because that's not possible, because I don't know you, I haven't met you, and I haven't seen your issues and what is the root cause behind it. So if you're looking for anything which is very personalized and customized consultancy for yourself, so you can definitely get in touch with me on my DM on Instagram, or maybe you can comment down below, or you can call on the number provided below. That's my manager's number. She will help you out in fixing up an appointment with me. And And the good news is I do these consultancies online. So wherever you are in the world, wherever you are living, you can still connect with me from the comfort of your home and have the clarity around what is the basic and the real root cause behind the situation, whatever you're facing with your hair, body and skin issues, and what to do with it and how to get around it. So this is what I exactly wanted to talk in this video, that if you do follow these procedures, split ends won't come back again. And at the same time, I'll request you that, go for a haircut at least once in a 6 month, because that allows your hair to actually breathe. Though hair is a dead material, we say, but still, it really matters. When you do these steps, you will understand that, how well it brings the effect. If you ask me, and if you have seen my previous videos, if not, you can go and check. I was having long hair and my full hair was full of highlights and colors, and I go for monthly touch-ups for my colors and everything, and people never used to believe that I don't go for any kind of hair treatments. Even my hairstylist is so shocked all the time that you don't go for any treatment because you always come to me. How can you maintain such healthy hair? And that's the answer of mine, is that yes, I go for a chemical treatment, not treatment exactly, chemical hair color once in a month, but the entire month I balance it out. So beauty is all about balancing everything together. I never say that I'm against chemicals. Yes, of course there are chemicals which I never support and I will not support further also, but I'm not against all the chemicals, because there are chemicals which are good for us, okay, and works for us without giving any side effects. So I'm not against anything, but I always try to keep a balance in my consultancy services as well. I try to keep the balance and delivering the result, still maintaining that natural balance, and that's my USP. That's how I do it, and that's the way of doing an unbiased consultancy for every individual. So this is how I get around these situations. And if you were looking for a remedy for a split end, I hope that this video was helpful for you, because YouTube, I already told you, that's a platform where I can only share a general knowledge kind of thing, not a very specific individual case-to-case basis. So I hope that this was helpful for you. And if you are really interested in knowing such kind of remedies, or you're looking for such kind of solutions, then you can drop down in the comment section below what kind of video would you like me to make. So I'll definitely try to make videos around it and provide you the desired and clarity and information which you are looking for. You can also follow me on my Instagram handle. So this is my Instagram handle, where I share a lot of makeup, beauty, lifestyle related content, and the work which I do on my models, on my brides and all of that. And yes, I also update about all my recent and real life updates and my professional life updates on my Insta stories. So that's a good place to follow if you really want to stay connected with me and know what's coming up in the future with me. And this was all about this video. I really hope that now, if you follow these steps, split ends won't bother you any long. So stay happy, stay beautiful.